Hello, are you a jeweler, a dental technician, or a complete beginner that wants to start designing 3D grills? Then you're in the right place. We've put together a Digital Gold Grillz course, a full, complete course that will walk you through all aspects of making digital grills. We will start from the impressions. I will teach you how to do the impressions and everything related to that. We will move on to model making, where we will make the best models for our grills. Then I will teach you what you need to do, how to prepare them to be scanned. Then we'll move on to scanning, where we will scan different type of models and we will design the plain ones, the plain grills and the plain single gold teeth. Then I will show you how to manipulate 3D designs, how to create some designs as well and add them to your grills. After we've done all this, I'm going to show you how to get them ready to be cast, how to cast them in different types of gold. And then the fifth module would be the polishing, where I'll show you all the different techniques you need to get the perfect polish, how to fit them together, and everything that you need so you can have the best results out there so you can impress your clients. The course is structured in such a way that will cover every single aspect that you need to start your Gold Grillz business, to have the perfect fitting product and everything. It comes with full direct access to myself in case you need any more help, any more guidance for 1 full year. So in case you need any more help, you can contact me via email, or we can set up video calls and we can jump right in so we can get all your issues resolved if you have any, or if you require more information from this. I'll give you a sneak peek on how the course is structured and how the course looks, so you can see the learning platform that you will sign in up to. So you will have access for 1 full year, and after this we will be adding more and more lessons as we go along. So let's say different types of designs, different types of techniques, or different types of materials that we use. So we will use a scanner, 3D printer, 3D design software as well throughout the whole module, especially onto the module 3. Also included into the course is a full list with materials, tools and equipment that you need to use so you can have a successful Gold Grillz business, so you can produce your own Gold Grillz from start to finish. So let me show you how the course looks and what to expect after you made your purchase. So after you have enrolled into the course, you can just use the login button on our website to log in with your details and then navigate to your account page, which is this one, my account. So if you got the Digital Gold Grillz course, just click on it and that will open up all the available lessons you have for this course. So clicking on any lesson will take you to the course portal, where you can see on the left hand side you got all the modules, all 5 modules. So module 1 would be the digital molds, where I'll teach you everything there is about molds, how to take the perfect mold and what to expect. And module 2 will be the dental cast, where I will teach you how to make the best models, how to disinfect and how to prepare them. And then we move on to module 3, will be the digital wax up and 3D printing, where I'll show you all the materials and tools and equipment that you need, all the model preparation, and then we will design the plain gold teeth and grills, and then we'll be adding some 3D designs onto your designed single gold teeth or grills. I will show you how to manipulate some designs, how to create some designs, how to post-process everything, and how to print all the settings that you need for that as well. Then we'll move on to casting, and then in the casting I will explain everything you need to know of how to cast, so from sprueing to investment technique to furnace settings, everything that you need to have a successful cast of precious and non-precious alloys. And then we'll move on to module 5, where we will polish the designs that we have created. So we're gonna give that mirror finish sign to the single gold teeth and full gold grills, and then I'll teach you how to polish your 3D design, so the ones that have more intricate details. I'll show you different techniques and everything that you need. So as you progress through the course, you will have a progress bar right here on the top. So when, let's say you mark as let's say you watch this lesson and you mark it as complete, it will move the bar all the way up. So until you get to 100%, then you will be automatically awarded with the certificate of completion, the Digital Gold Grillz course. Okay, all the materials are going to be explained, and all the list is going to be visible in the material list for every single lesson. So when you click on it, you're going to have a list with the materials that are used into the course and why. So as you can see, the course is structured in such a way to give you a clear understanding. All the videos will be high quality and very high detailed in terms of all the information we're gonna have inside. Okay, any future lessons that we are going to add are going to be available to the enrolled students. So as you can see, all the information that you require to make Digital Grillz is included into the course. Now, if you're a jeweler or a dental technician, you might already have access to these types of software or programs or even hardware, or you have something similar and you can use the course to learn how to manipulate 3D designs and add them to your grills, or just adapt them to your workflow. So all this is included into the course. Also, like I said, it's support in case you need any support with designing the grills or how to make them. I will be more than happy to give you more information if you require, via email or via video calls. So if you require any more information before you enroll into the course, feel free to contact me using the contact link on the website, and I will answer your questions as soon as possible. If you're ready to go ahead, then you can go ahead and enroll, and your Digital Gold Grillz course will start straight away.